finally got to DMCC, then we took a taxi. Now we're heading to Bluewaters Island. And one thing I noticed, once you go on the taxi, they put 5 dirham charge at the start, just in case if you change your mind. Yeah, the journey is going to take about 28 minutes to get to Bluewaters Island. And the plan is to just explore the area. I think it's a new area, a lot of development around there, and have some food, and then probably do some boat tour later. Yeah, please consider sharing this video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And for my subscribers, I really want to thank you for being with us all along, all our travels and all our videos, all our road trips. Yeah, so we are in Dubai. We've been in Dubai for 3 days now. We're just driving around from DMCC now to Bluewaters Island. So I'll definitely talk to you again when we get to Bluewaters Island. Alright? We're on a Dubai taxi. You can also pay using your credit cards. I believe Visa and Master. We haven't tried Amex yet, but I can guarantee you can use your Visa and Master. Guys, we just saw this beautiful building here. It's called ZouZou Hotel. I'll probably have to do some research. I don't have a lot of information, but if you stay here before, please do let us know in the comment section. Journey was going to take long, but it wasn't long at all from DMCC. It's literally less than 5 minutes. So yeah, I believe they have a bus services as well, but we don't know.
Can I drop you here?
Yes. Yeah, thank you. Wow, we are in Bluewaters Island. Very, very beautiful place. Small restaurant. This is She. Just going to see what they have in the menu here. Beautiful restaurant. Wow, guys, look at the restaurant. Wow. And there's JBR opposite us. Beautiful. Weather is really beautiful. There's ice cream screaming at me, But at the moment, we're just going to browse. We want to see the ports. They have a very beautiful restaurant here called Ports. So we just want to see how they look like, what they offer, what's in the menu. Wow. JBR seems Asian fusion, yeah. JBR look busy. Guys, are you ready to see how beautiful JBR look this afternoon? Drum roll, drum roll. We just had a very delicious meal at the port. Look how gorgeous the port is. The port is actually located in Bluewaters. You can get here by taxi from DMCC. Amazing. That's JBR Beach there. And also here, there's a ferry here. You can take the ferry to the marina. Even look nicer from the bridge. So beautiful. Oh, is that another one? There. Guys, you can see the weather is looking beautiful today. JBR is very, very busy. I'm not sure we'll be able to get there, but if you want to watch the previous video, you can go to the channel and watch the video. actually beautiful. The backdrop is beautiful, isn't it? Guys, we are in the beach, JBR. I'm just going to swim there, you know, because it's beautiful. The sun is shining. I just do a bit of swimming. Yeah, the backdrop is hotels down there. There's shopping malls also down there. Yeah, but at the moment I'm just going to swim for 5-10 minutes. Yeah, take some pictures, do some gram videos. Yeah, then wrap the video up. It's quite busy. I have no idea what's going on there. Some tourists here. Now guys, let me just quickly do a tour of the beach. Oh my god, the water is so cold. There's no way I'm swimming. There's no way I'm swimming here, guys. The water is freezing cold. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh, holy shit. Wow, it's so cold. Can't imagine why nobody is swimming. It's very, very cold. That's not a good idea. Well, this is a full tour of the beach JBR. Consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber.
very, very important that you share, like the video. Well guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this amazing video from the beach, JBR. Just down there over the bridge, there's a port there. You can also get a taxi from there to DNC. This is like a public beach, but I believe this you have to rent or hire them. Yeah, and the water is a little bit cold, but I'll try my best to see if I could dive in. Yeah, there's also where you can put your plastic cans and waste it on the beach as well. Well, this is the beach, JBR, Dubai. People are sunbathing, sun tanning. People are eating. I believe you can eat and drink here on the beach. Well, thank you so much. I will definitely see you guys on the road. I want to be very, very brave and dive into the sea. It's very cold, but I'll try my best to dive in there. I have to take my watch, my hat, my sunglasses off, and then dive in there. Let's try this. spoiling my view.